Hey, this is Lou Hornberger, and I want to welcome you to this ShortsAI demo where I'll show you the power of ShortsAI to create short videos that you can use in your business. Let's take a look. All right, in this demo, I'm going to show you how to use the AI prompter, which is part of ShortsAI. Here are our campaigns listed here. You can see they're listed here with our options to change them. We're going to create a new one by clicking on the plus. Type in our campaign name. Here's our title, Why Short Videos Are Important for Businesses. Then you click on Create Campaign. Then we're going to type in our idea that the AI will then use to generate our script. And there is our idea. Short videos are important to businesses because they are trending right now and because people are buying because of shorts. And then we click on Generate AI Script. And now we have our script. And here's what it says. Shorts are an effective way to engage with customers, build brand awareness, and promote products and services. Short videos are also more likely to be shared on social media, and they are more likely to be seen by potential customers. Additionally, short videos can be used to explain complex topics in an easily digestible way. And then we're going to save that. Campaign script updated successfully. And then we hop back out, come back to our campaigns. And now you see we have our why short videos are important for businesses. And at this point, we will record our video. So what it's doing now is loading my camera. And as you can see on the screen is the script that we just wrote. So then to record that, I click on record. Now it's recording it. And then I start the script. I can adjust the speed of it. And I can read it as it's coming through. Short videos are also more likely to be shared on social media, and they are more likely to be seen by potential customers. Additionally, short videos can be used to explain complex topics in an easily digestible way. Now we're done. Now one of the cool things is it will pause when I pause. So what I just did there was I was paused for a few seconds. Edits that out. So when I pause, it removes those pauses. So I'm going to pause again here. So I was paused there for 2 or 3 seconds. So then when we come into the editor, it will remove those pauses. So we click on Finish. So now what it's doing is it's detecting silence from the video. We can adjust the minimum time we want our silence to be as we scroll through here. The red is the silences it pulled out. Here's that silence there. Here's another silence, and here's the long silence towards the end. I can apply the changes, and it'll remove it and give us that punchy quality video that people expect with shorts. And then we click on Next. You removed your unwanted. Do you want to continue to export your video? Yes. Continue. Digestible way. Now we're done. And one of the cool things is it will pause when I pause. So what I just did there was I was paused for a few seconds. It stopped the recording and edits that out. So when I pause, it removes those pauses. I'm going to pause again here. So I was paused there for 2 or 3 seconds. So then when we come into the editor, it will remove those pauses. And that's how it works. So we want to publish, save it, and campaign video uploaded successfully. And then we can publish, which then we can connect it to our Facebook, YouTube, or to another app. That's how simple it is. Now, sharing it to YouTube, click on YouTube. Video successfully added to YouTube. And then we return back. And there we are back at our campaigns. Now, this can be completely done on the website as well, using your webcam. Here I am on the website for ShortsAI. The app is called AI Prompter. And click in here to log in with the credentials that you receive after you make your purchase. Once you've logged in, you'll see here's the video that we just created on my phone. I can come in here and preview it. It's recording it, and then I start the script. I can adjust. We can also publish it from here, seeing the same options we saw before. Copy it and use it directly as a link, or we can actually record one right here, and it will turn on my webcam to record it from here. I can edit the script. This is the script that we used. I can create a brand new one by simply clicking on Create New Campaign. as we did on the phone. So whether you have an Android phone, an iOS phone, or want to simply use it from any computer, Windows or Mac, you're able to use ShortsAI to grow your online business using the power of short video.